Good children. Ninth class students, listen carefully. Previous classes, I sent so many videos, but not that by me. I send from Dixie app and from links I send, but few children are not watching properly. Just we are leaving and something they are writing, and homeworks also copying from others, forwarding and sending to me. So that is very bad, children. You must concentrate each and every video and first note down what are the topics you have doubt in those videos. So some students gave some doubt topics they sent to me through WhatsApp. So those topics once I will clarify for you. Those all. First I will give the introduction of the real numbers. First real number are the two types. One is rational, other one is irrational. Rational is denoted by Q, irrational is Q dash. So this irrational is stopped. What is called rational number, you know? In 8th class you learn, 7th class also, the number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to Z and Q is not equal to 0. What is called irrational number? The number which cannot be written in the form of P by Q is called irrational. But for irrational, another definition also, the number which is non-terminating and non-recurring. See children, the number which is non-terminating and non-recurring is also called as irrational. See two definitions. First definition is the number which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q, or the number which non-terminating and non-recurring is also called as irrational. Here we will get one doubt. Sir, root 2 is why it is called irrational number. It can be written as root 2 by 1. This is also P by Q, no sir? This is also in the form of P by Q, but why it is not a rational number? But what is the rational number definition? Say P comma Q belongs to Z. But here P is root 2. Root 2 is not an integer. Therefore, root 2 can write as root 2 by 1, P by Q. But what is the condition? Both P and Q belongs to Z. That's why it is only a rational number. Sorry, irrational number, but not a rational. So another definition we give that number which is non-terminating and non-recurring. For example, 2.32560128 so on. See children, 2.32560128 so on. Can you express in the form of P by Q this one? Because it is non-terminating and non-recurring. See children, non-terminating and non-recurring also called as irrational number. So this type of numbers we cannot change into P by Q form, in fraction form. Now, some students ask doubts, sir, what is the difference between the irrational numbers and surds? See children, irrational number, first to learn some properties of irrational numbers. First property, the sum or difference of the two irrational numbers need not be a irrational. The sum or difference of the two irrational numbers need not be a irrational. See, for example, root 2 plus root 3. Root 2 is a irrational, root 3 also irrational. But the sum of these two is a irrational. Okay. But another example, look at it. Root 2 plus of minus root 2. Root 2 is a irrational. Minus root also irrational. Now we are adding these two here. Plus root 2 and minus root 2 cancel. That equals to get 0. Therefore, 0 is a rational number. Therefore, the sum or difference of two irrationals not always irrational. Sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. And similarly, the product of the two irrational or the ratio of the two irrationals also need not be irrational. That is also sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. For example, you can say that root 3 into root 2 is equal to get root 6. Product of the two irrationals. Root 3 is irrational, root 2 also irrational. Root 3 into root 2 equals root 6. Now root 6 also irrational. Next, root 3 into root 27. See children, these two also irrational. Now you can multiply root 3 into root 27, root of 81. That equals to 9. So 9 is a rational number. See? Here the product of the two irrationals is irrational. But here the product of the two irrationals is a rational number. That's why the products or the ratio of the two irrational numbers need not be an irrational number. Sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. See different ratios. For example, root 9 divided by root 4. These two anyway, you know that root 9 value 3, root 4 value 2. That is a rational number. Root 2 by root 3 because root over 2 by 3. This is also irrational number. Therefore, sometimes according to binary operations, the sum or difference or products or the ratio of the two irrational numbers need not be an irrational. Sometimes may be rational or irrational. So, children, next some topics that is new topic for you. That is surds. What is the difference between that irrational numbers and surds? I will give that class for next video. I will give for that one. Difference between the irrational and surd.